Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be cash stuffing $310, and I'll also be stuffing my saving challenges and some priority sinking funds. But before I do any of that, I want to give a shout out to a young lady whose video I just watched. I said I'm gonna start doing shout outs when it's relevant, because even though I'm a cash stuffer and you may be inspired by my channel, you may not be able to relate to my journey because I am already consumer debt free. So I wanted to start introducing other budgeters, maybe someone you could relate to. So, so you can get some additional inspiration from it. Even though you get inspiration from my channel, you can also get some inspiration from someone you actually relate to. So this shout out is going to go to a young lady named Tara. And I just subscribed to her channel. Actually, I thought I was already a member of her community, but evidently I'm not, according to YouTube. So I just subscribed to her channel. Her channel is called, I got my notes here because I want to make sure I get this information right, because this is something positive I want to put out there in the atmosphere. Her channel is Journey to Wisdom and Wealth, which I love that name. And she just put out a very tasteful and well done, well thought out video addressing the budgeting community, this beautiful community that I'm a part of. And the title is called Dear Budgeting Community. But then it has some little dots and then it says, be wise, don't get caught up. And budgeting is personal. So she basically was just talking about, like, if you're a member of any community, you kind of get caught up in the things that everyone is doing in their videos. In other words, she really telling you to focus on why you're budgeting and don't get caught up in feeling like you have to buy everything that you see in every other people's video and feel like you have to always get your nails done. And one of her confessions was that she had got caught up in the hype of getting the press-on nails, but her natural nails are beautiful. So she just had to catch herself, and so she just came on and did it very tastefully. It was no hate. The comments were very positive. She was just saying, she almost got caught up. She was just encouraging others not to get caught up. Now, if you want to get your nails done, get it done for that reason. Don't just get it done just because you're doing a video. So I just thought that was a great video. I'm going to go ahead and link that video in my description box. And yeah, the shout out goes to Tara of Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. So Tara, if you happen to be looking at this video, you did a great job. I told you in the comments it was very tastefully done, and it kind of related to me a little bit. I didn't get caught up, but I do like the little binders and all the cash envelopes. I did purchase some of those because I wanted to. You could say I got caught up if you like, but I mean, I budgeted for it and I bought it. But like a lot of other stuff, like the cash trays and all that stuff, I won't be getting that because, like she said, most people don't even have room for all that stuff. And so I just appreciate her making that video, because I think that goes on in any community here on YouTube. You kind of get caught up and you lose yourself and you forget why you're doing this. Like for me, I am doing the cash stuffing to save more money because we are already consumer debt free. So instead of just spending all the money that we have to spend, I wanted to save some of it. So that's why I do some of the challenges. I only do 3 challenges. That's the most I'm gonna ever do. And then I do my cash stuffing to kind of put myself on an allowance, because I am the spender in my household. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee. I am happily married. Thank you, Jesus. But my husband is not on this budgeting journey with me. He was on it when we were getting out of debt. But now that we're actually out of debt, I put myself on this budgeting journey so that I can save more money, because I'm the spender in the marriage. He does not spend a lot of money. So yeah. So check her video out after you finish with my video, and I'm sure you're going to be blessed by it. Yeah, I thought that was a great video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to be, as I said, stuffing $310 today. And first, we're going to start out with my cash envelopes. These are my new envelopes that I just launched in my Etsy store. Check it out if you're interested. They're colorful. They may not be everyone's taste, but somebody may like them. So yeah, we're gonna start out with Dollar Tree. Always, let me go through. If you watch my "What Did I Spend in a Week" video, you will know that I did not have anything in my Dollar Tree envelope for this week. I'll link that video also in the description box. So we're gonna give self $20, and I usually do. I'm gonna do a 10 and 10 ones for the Dollar Tree. You know that's bad when you gotta put yourself on a budget for the Dollar Tree. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that's 20. I'm not gonna recount it. So yeah, we got Dollar Tree ready. And for groceries and eating out, I do dual envelopes on some of these just so I won't have so many cash envelopes. We actually had some money left. We had $44 because I was blessed last week not to have to buy groceries. So we're gonna put that over to the side. I'll show you what I do with that later. So we're gonna do 65. I do 50 for groceries and 15 for dining, for eating out. So I'm gonna do 5 $1 bill, 2 10s, and 2 20. So that's 20, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's $65. And spending, I usually give myself $100. Let's see if we had anything left in spending. Yay! Spending has $23. So we'll put that over to the side with the other money. And I'll give myself, I do $10 bills. That's been working good for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll put that in there. In household, let's see if we have anything left in household. Nothing. So I do $15, so I do a 10 and a 5. Probably won't need anything. I'm pretty much caught up on household, but I always put some in here just in case. And then I keep my receipts and my coupons in here. And you know I'm gonna scan my receipts to my Fetch Rewards. And if you, unless you've been living on a rock, most people know about Fetch Rewards. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you anyway, in case you haven't. It's an app that allows you to scan your grocery receipts. You're going to the grocery store anyway, so just go ahead and scan that receipt, and you'll be given points for you to use later to redeem for a free gift card. And I'll have that link in my description box, and please use my code. So once you scan your first receipt, as long as it's not 14 days old, you can use any receipt that you already have, and you'll be given 2,000 points to get started, and I'll be giving 2,000 points for referring you, and then you will be given a referral code so you can pass on to your family and friends. So that's it for all my got my cash envelopes. So now we're gonna go ahead. The rest of this money is for vacation. That's what I'm mainly focusing on right now. So we're getting ready to go on vacation. So I got this little binder I created. Shout out to Triple M TV for giving me the idea. And you can see I love butterflies. So we have it broken down into category. Housing, you gotta have somewhere to stay when you go on vacation. So it's gonna get $60. And then everybody else gonna get $10. Food is gonna get 10. Gas is gonna get 10. Because we driving, this will be a driving trip. That's why I have plane tickets and I have gas on the same envelope. And let's put that back. Activity, any kind of excursions.
Do you want to know?
Then miscellaneous, you know, that's for shopping, or if anything goes wrong, you know, you gotta always be prepared. So this is it for vacation, and next we're gonna do my 52 week. No, we're gonna do, I'll leave that right there. That $10, that's for my 52 week challenge. We're gonna go ahead and distribute this money amongst my priorities. Now my priorities besides vacation is my granddaughter's driving lessons, medical, because I gotta get some dental work done at the end of this month, and I think I got 3 of them. Let me see. I better put it in car maintenance. I was gonna put it in wedding for my daughter's wedding, but I'm gonna put it in car maintenance because at this present moment my car is in the shop and I don't know how much it's gonna be. So we're gonna split this up into 3s. So we're gonna put it in those 3 funds. So everybody gets $22. Look like car maintenance gonna get 23. So that's how I'm gonna start doing my rollover, putting it in my high priority sinking funds. So this is my high priority binder. So we're gonna do car maintenance. It already has $252 in the bank, and I'm gonna add $23. So let me get my marker so I can update this. Hold on. So when I add 23 to the car maintenance sinking fund, it's gonna make that $275. Oh, I put the $275 in the wrong place. Okay, it's okay. So 23. So we'll put that in the envelope. And the next one is my granddaughter driving lessons. She presently has $94 in the bank, and I have to get $260. So when I add $22, I'm gonna add $22. So 94 plus 22 is 116. So we'll add that $22. So see, by me being disciplined, not spending as much money, I still spent some money, but not as much, I'm able to stuff these priority sinking funds without getting any additional money out of the bank. That's the beauty of this budgeting. You do it however you would like. Okay. So with driving lessons, we have $70 in the bank, and then the remainder is in this envelope. So the last one is medical. I did need like $279 by the end of this month. So I'm probably the last paycheck in this month. I'll probably just put the rest of it in here, but I got $91. So we're gonna add $22. The date is the 9th. I'm gonna add $22. We'll give it a total of 91 plus 22, 113. Nope. 91. Let me see some money. 91 plus. Yeah, it's probably 113. I must have added wrong somewhere. 50, 70. Oh yeah, that's right. 50, 70, 90, 110, 113. I'm gonna keep this in cash because the dentist office charges you a fee when you use your card, so I'm gonna just pay them in cash. So that's why I'm leaving all the cash in this envelope. So now we're gonna do our challenges, and then we'll be finished. Stay tuned. Okay, for the 52-week challenge, this week I pulled a $10 bill. So I have $273 in here. So I'm gonna add $10. Gonna be making $283. 7, 9, 21. Add $10. And then for the $5 challenge, let's see what we have. $5 challenge in my wallet. Have 5, 10, 15, 20. Woo, 25. Got $5 bill for the $5 challenge. So 25 plus 265 is 290. No $5 add a little fast. I had to spend some of the $5s, which is okay. That's what we saving for, right? Can't take this money with you. Alright, so got that out the way. And the last thing is my coin challenge. Go ahead and pull my little coin organizer out. I think it's gonna be time to wrap these dimes. So let's get the chunk coins out. And so what I'll do is I've decided to deposit my money quarterly. I hadn't decided if I'm gonna let the coins accumulate or just go ahead and take them to the bank. I'll do it accordingly. It just depends. So this is what we have. So we're gonna put these in the organizer. Dimes. I think the dimes is gonna be ready. I'll count them in a little bit, let you know. Quarters. I'm still looking for my silver dollars that I'm collecting. Let me know in the comment section, do you have any silver dollars, or have you ever collected the silver dollars? The we call them silver dollars. Some people might call them the 50-cent pieces. But yeah, that's what those slots are for. And I got this organizer off Amazon. It'll be linked in my description box if you're interested. So yeah, that's it. Like I was saying, go check out Journey to Wisdom and Wealth video. I just love it. That video should go viral because that was a great message. She gave. So that's it. This is Miss V. I've stuffed my cash envelopes. I stuffed my vacation binder, and I allocated my leftover funds to my high priority sinking funds, and I've done all 3 of my challenges. I only do 3 challenges at a time. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm always, always, always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.